Hi everyone, this is Niyati from Backinzo. Are you new to Backinzo? I'm starting a complete video series right from the scratch covering every feature in detail. First up, how to download and install Backinzo. So let's get started. I'll quickly showcase you how to install Guide for the Backinzo, your go-to backtesting tool for FNO trading. In under 2 minutes, I'll show you how to download, install and set up your account so you can start testing your strategies right away. So let's dive in. So step 1 is download the installer. First head over to backinzo.com. On the home page, click the download exe button to get the installation file. Make sure you are downloading it directly from the official website to stay safe and secure. So just click on this button and from here you can just install it. Okay. Step 2, accept the EULA. Once the installer opens, you will see a end user license agreement. Take a moment to read it. This is a standard agreement that lets you know the terms of use. Scroll down. When you're ready, click the agree button to move forward. This is how you can scroll it down in order to read every single detail about it. Once you're okay, click the agree button. Okay. And just click on the install to move forward. Yes. Okay. Now step 3. Go through this setup wizard. Next, the Backinzo setup wizard begins. It's a simple step-by-step installation guide. Just click next through the screen and the software will install itself on your computer. So just click on this next button. Okay. Just click on this I accept the terms in the license agreement and click the next button. Okay. Next. And just click install to begin the installation. Click back to review and change any of your installation settings and click cancel to exit the wizard. So here just click on the install button. Okay, click the finish button to exit the setup wizard. Installation successfully completed, right? Close. Now on this page, just click on this Backinzo icon. After installation, Backinzo opens and prompts you to create an account. Okay. So you'll need to enter a username of your choice, any preferred username. Just click on this create button and you can enter any preferred ID of your choice. Your city, your state for the regional settings, your mobile number, make sure it's accurate because you will receive an OTP, that is one-time password, to verify your Backinzo account. Okay. Once you enter your mobile number, you will receive an OTP. Enter it in this Backinzo app to complete the verification and finalize your login. And that's it. You're ready to backtest. See, login password will be sent over mobile number mentioned above. So please enter a valid mobile and email address. And in case if you face any problem in the user registration, then you can contact support at Telegram @Backinzo SUP, and you can even email us support@backinzo.com. So you are all set. Now that you have installed and logged in into the Backinzo, you are just one step away from analyzing your futures and options trading strategies, and that too with precision. Don't forget to like this video if it helped, subscribe to my channel for more Backinzo tutorials, and drop a comment below if you have any questions, any queries. Happy backtesting. Bye-bye.